Okay, so today's Father's Day. The beer garden is really full, and as you can see, my friend, he's eating a hamburger, but he's eating it with knife and fork. I've never seen this before, but because I usually eat a hamburger with my hands, but here in Germany they eat it with fork and knife, so that's really cool. And I'm having I'm having pea soup. It's really good. I'm really enjoying it. And I also got some bratwurst with sauerkraut. And we're having the beer, so. And apparently Father's Day here, it's about drinking and men getting drunk. It's not like Mother's Day where you spend it with your family, I guess. But yeah, today's Father's Day, everybody didn't work, and it's also a holiday, some kind of Catholic holiday, so. Okay, I'll talk to you guys later, bye. Prost.